Hello, traders. This is your trader's friend. Thank you for joining me today for another video. I'm so glad you could be here with me. Guys, I would like to talk to you today about bull and bear traps on the 1 minute time frame. You know, I recently made a video about that, and this is where we are in the market currently. And I just screwed up a video because I was showing you this stuff live. This was actually a bear trap live, and you can see how price has gone over, and it strongly made a strong run over the 200. You got the rejection, price fell back down here. You got the reversal, and price continued to move very strongly against whoever was trapped down here. This was also another trap quickly. You can see you got the small, and this is on the 1 minute time frame, so keep this in mind. You got the smaller candlestick, the strong signal, but keep in mind that you have a lot of false signals on the 1 minute time frame. Now, for me, this says that I'm looking for an opportunity to go long. So, just wanted to throw that in because that's live price action right now. I also want to apologize. These this is the time of the year. I was going to say these days I've been really busy. I'm behind on my email and all of that kind of stuff, but it's getting to the time of the year that I'm a little bit more busy. I travel a little more, and so I'm not quite as available. So I appreciate you guys understanding that. Let's get on to some of these traps. Thanks. Okay, guys, this is what a trap looks like on the 1 minute time frame. It's not right now price action, but this is what it looks like. You have this strong move down. In this case, it happens to be down. You have a strong break below that 50. Price is just going like a freight train, but it doesn't really go anywhere after that, and pretty soon you break back above the 50. If you have a situation like that and you've managed to get in on the beginning of that move and you see a break above the 50 soon after, go ahead and get out, because chances are if you don't, then you're going to end up on the wrong side of the trade. Now guys, this is more of what a bull trap looks like. You see you have the nice setup. Price is going in a bullish fashion. You have a break above all of that support. Price kind of dances around here. Then notice pretty soon after you get a break back below that 50 and then below that 200. If you do not rescue yourself, you're going to find yourself sadly on the wrong side of the trade. Now, the trade setups lately have not been perfect. They've been a little bit choppy, but this is more of what you're looking for when you're looking for a smooth trade setup. But like I said, if you find yourself in a trade like this, you've waited for a good market setup, and your trade starts going sour on you, even if you have to take a small loss, get out. It is so much better for the market to trick you than to trap you. Let me say that again. It is better for the market to trick you than to trap you. And this is what a bullish trap looks like on the 1 minute time frame. And I mean, there are several others, but I just wanted you to get the basic idea. Now, as you can see, a good trade is going to flow for you pretty well. And I showed this trade because it's not that perfect ideal setup. However, you can see that you're going to get a good ride down before price begins to break back above that 50. So please keep that in mind. Now, this is also a trap, but it's a trap that you get a much longer ride. You see that sweet setup? Price is flowing beautifully over your moving averages. And I'm saying that this is a trap because overall, on the daily time frame, you are bullish at this point. So you see the sweet ride down, then all of a sudden you get this break above the 50 and price continues to go on. Now, you've seen trades in my past video where you get the break and price just continues to flow down for several hours. However, if you find yourself in a trade and price is going one way for you strongly, and pretty soon after you get a break above that 50, then go ahead and protect your profits. Do not let them trap you. This is a professional trapper's game. Don't let them trap you. It will cost you more money than you want to pay. If you find that you are in a trap, go ahead and cut that. Go ahead and cut that and go in the direction of profit. Now, guys, this is a pretty good trade to the upside. It's not perfect, but it is a pretty nice trade to the upside. And if you see yourself in a situation where price breaks below and then re-breaks above, then you can re-enter this for a pretty good ride. Guys, this is not rocket science. You can absolutely do this. You can be successful in Forex. And I do want to leave you with this last thought. Guys, you only get, well, let me not say that, because you have days where price just continues on like a freight train. And we had a situation right in May where we had 1,000 pip drops and drop in 24 hours. That's more rare in the market. But generally, you are going to get your really good rides anywhere from every 6 to every 8 hours. So keep that in mind. If you have gotten into a trade and you've gotten yourself 120 pips, turn off your monitor and go do something else. Protect that 120 pips. Go have some fun for about 4 hours or so. Come back and check it and then see if you have another good setup. But generally, you're going to get good rides in the market, especially if you're trading off of the 1 minute time frame, anywhere from every 6 to every 9 hours. Guys, you can absolutely do this. You can be successful at Forex. Have a terrific trading week.